There's a fault code on height body sensor when you're opening the light. Automatic. And then when you turn on the light, there is a spanner and automatic headlight adjustment fault. This one, Peugeot. We will fix this. Right. Changing height leveling sensor, Peugeot. There's 2 bolts. Just plug it in. Okay. This one. I need to remove this one. This screw for here. And then attach the new one. Sensor. Okay. Okay, moment of truth. Start the engine. Close the door. Then we put it on. Adjustment up, and then let's try this on. Alright, there's done. Thank you Lord. It's fine now. See, it's not showing now. Adjustment okay, lovely, done.